good evening. Welcome to
MinuteMath number 128.
MinuteMath number 128. So the first time I wrote this problem, I forgot the number and I wrote one of the words wrong. So hopefully we solve it better. All right, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Barry wrote 6 numbers, one on each side of 3 cards, and laid the cards on the table as shown. Got it?
Yeah.
The sum of the 2 numbers on each card is equal. So the sum of the 2 numbers on each side of the card are equal. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
The 3 numbers on the hidden sides of the cards are prime. That's better than saying they're equal, right? The numbers on the other side of the card are prime. What is the average of the hidden prime numbers? And this is a real challenging question. This is from the Mathematical Association of America's MinuteMath page, and only about 1 out of 7 people got this right.
Again?
Again, yeah, this is a real challenging one. So we don't know a lot. What do we know here?
We know that there's 6 numbers on a card, on the 3 cards.
Yep.
And the numbers on the back of the cards are prime, and
Yep.
this number plus the back number is this number plus the back number is this number plus the back number.
That's right. Very good. So how are we going to make progress on this?
Well, it's going to have to add up. The numbers have to add up to something larger than 59.
That's true. The numbers do have to add up to something larger than 59. That's a good thing to notice.
It doesn't say that they're probably not the same, because...
Well, okay. Could the numbers all be the same in the back of the cards?
No.
No, why not?
Because then we would just add the same thing to each of the numbers, and that would still...
Wouldn't work, because the
Yep.
sums wouldn't be equal. Okay? What else can we notice here? What do you know about, tell me some prime numbers.
2, 3, 5,
Oops. 2, 3,
5,
5,
7,
7,
11,
11,
13,
13,
17,
17,
19,
19,
23.
23. Okay, so we know a lot of prime numbers.
Mm-hmm. We could try some and see if we notice a pattern.
Well, I don't think you're going to find a pattern in the prime numbers, although if you do, tell me. Okay? Don't tell anyone else. Just tell me. Okay? All right, what do you want to try? What would be a good thing to try? Because if you're stuck, it's a good thing to just try something.
Well, we should put a pretty large number here, or a pretty small number here, and a medium-sized number there.
Okay, great. Where do you want to start?
Let's put 23 here,
All right.
11 here. Wait, 23 plus 38. It's 60 plus 11, which is 50 plus 11, which is 61.
Okay, so if we put 23 here, we get 61.
So 59 plus 2 is 61.
Okay, 59 plus 2 is 61.
And 44 plus 17 is 61.
Yeah, look at that.
Hey, another lucky guess.
Another lucky guess.
Yeah.
2 days in a row, you did a real lucky guess.
Maybe 7's a good number.
Okay, maybe 1 out of 7 is a good number. Okay, so how did we got lucky here? We wrote down some primes. We stopped writing at a nice number. Now, what would have been another way to start here? You said start with a small one for 59, so picking 2 for 59 would have been good.
Yeah, it's the smallest prime number.
Okay, but there's something else to notice about this. Why could we have known that 2 had to go with 59? It had to go with 59. What can you tell me about prime numbers and why 2 had to be paired with 59?
Well, because an odd plus an odd would equal an even.
An odd plus an odd would equal an even, and what would that mean?
That would mean that these couldn't be prime numbers.
They could, because they would have to be even, because an even plus an even. So 59 had to be paired with an even number.
2, and then that would give it...
Because all the other prime numbers are odd,
Mm-hmm.
right? That's another way to see this problem. So the question is, what's the average of these numbers? So what's the average of 14, 2, and 23?
Means 17, 2, and 23.
17, 2, and 23.
Well, it's 30. It's 42 it's 42 thirds.
42 thirds, which is?
Which is, it's 3 times 10. It's 30 plus 12. Or 10. It's 14.
14, very good.
Yeah.
So the average is 14, so that's the answer. The average is 14. So, good job. Hey, good job. when you don't know what to do, write a few things down. In this case, write a few prime numbers down. See if you notice anything. And hey, sometimes you'll get lucky, just like yesterday.
Yeah.
Good job, sweetie. Good job, Diana. Would you erase the board for me?
Okay.